In order to recall some old memory, that is, view its album, you have to search for the calendar entry that links to it. Here's how. Let's say I want to see Maurice's wedding album. I go to my Google Calendar. I click on the search icon, upper right, and then the drop-down icon. The search box appears. I have to input a time interval at the date line. Calendar won't search an interval larger than a decade, and if you don't give it one, it searches only the past year. So I enter the decade 2010 to 2020. Next, I use the what line in the search box to input the keywords to search for. I type in Maurice's wedding and click search or tap the enter key. Here's the search report. It's only one line, of course, because it's a very specific search. I could search in a more general way, just the keyword wedding. Here's that search report. Lots of weddings. Maurice's is there at the top of the list. If all I want is to see the album, I can click anywhere towards the right. That will show me the calendar entry, and I can click the album link to view the album. I close the album, and then I close the entry. It's more interesting, though, to click the date at left. That takes me to the calendar's day view for the day of Maurice's wedding. I click W on the keyboard to go to the week view, or M to go to the month view. I like the month view best. Here is Maurice's wedding, the wedding entry, and the album. Looking around the calendar page, I'm reminded we did several other really great things. A sibling reunion, an afternoon at the Getty Museum, and even a Dodgers game. Here's another example. I searched for all my vacations for the last decade. Calendar reports back a list of all of them. I click Paris and then tap M for month, and now I'm at the calendar month page that contains all the entries that tell the story of that vacation. Click on any entry, then click on the album link to see an album. That's how you surf your memories in a memeized calendar. I hope you enjoy it.